Now we have to put the value in the third equation, that is 100x1 plus 200x2 is equal to 7000. Put the value x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 7000 divided by 235. So value of x1 comma x2 is equal to 0 or 35. Then put the value of x2 as a 0. While putting the value of x2 is 0, then 100x1 plus 0 is equal to 7000. So value of x1 is equal to 7000 by 100, that is 70. So x1 comma x2 is equal to 70, 0. Now we have to put these value by solving the equation method. So the first equation is 50x1 plus 60x2 is equal to 2500. Next, 100x1 plus 60x2 is equal to 3000. Now we have to substitute the sign, plus converted into minus, plus converted into minus, plus converted into minus. So value is minus 50x1 is equal to प्लस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएंगे तो वैल्यू आ जाएगी 0 minus 500. So value of x1 is equal to 500 by 50, that is 10. Now we have to put this value in either of the equation, either in first or either in second. We can put it in first equation. So 50 into 10 plus 60x2 is equal to 2500. We put this value to drive the worth of x2. So that is 500 plus 60x2 by 2500. So value of x2 is equal to 2000 by 60. That is 100 by 3. Now we have to coordinate this equation with the third one also. So equation first and third, compare equation first and third. So 60x2 is equal to 2500. 100x1 plus 200x2 is equal to 7000. Now substitute the signs, minus 50x1 that is 200x2 or 60x2, that is now we will get the minus 140x2 is equal to 5500. You can do by this method also, or you can do one more thing. You have to cancel this last line, or you have to multiply this equation with any of the digits so the worth will become equal, right? So we are going to multiply this with 100. We will multiply this with 100 and this one with 50, so that we can drive the equal figures. That is 5000x1 plus 6000 x2 plus equal to 2500 00, that is 2,50,000. Next, 5000 x1 plus 10,000 x2 is equal to 3,50,000. 7 5s are 35. 3,50,000. Now substitute the sign, plus converted to minus, minus, minus. That one could cancel. 4,000 x2 is equal to 1 lakh. Now cut these zeros. 2 5 25. So the worth is x2 is equal to 25. Now put the value of x2 in either of the equation, either in the third equation or in the first equation to drive the value of x1. So while putting the value of x2, then we will get, let's suppose we will put the value of x2 in 100x1 plus 200x2 is equal to 7000. So x2 is 25, then it will become 5000. 25 into 250, yeah, right, it's 5000 is equal to 7000. So value of x1 is 2000 by 100, that is 20. Now we have to find out the feasible solutions. So we would have to put this value in the minimize equation. minimize equation is 2500 x1 plus 3500 x2. Now we have to write, first of all we have to write the feasible solution. After writing the feasible solution, we have to put the value of x and x2 in this minimized z equation, then we will get the exact answer. So we are writing down the feasible solutions. Now we have to put the value of each and every element in this equation. Let's suppose 2500 into 0 plus 3500 into 50, that is 0 plus 0 0 0 3 5 5 5 is 25 and 2 15 is 17, so value is 1,75,000. Next equation, that one is B, 2500 into 10 plus 3500 into 100 by 3, so 2500 by 10, that is 25,000 plus 3,35,000 3,50,000 by 3, we will get the answer of 4,25,000 by 3. Next we have to put the value of C, that is 2500 into 20 plus 3500 into 25, so we will get 0 0 4 to 10 5 plus into 25 0 0 35 into 25 5 is 25 5 is 15 17 70 5 7 8 75,000. Now we'll get the desired result is 1,37,500. Now we will have to put the last value 2500 into 70 plus 3500 into 0 0 is that 1 2 3 7 5 is 35 3 1,75,000. So the minimization cost is 1,37,500, which is derived with the value of x at the rate of 25x is y at the rate of 25x is. So that is the point of equilibrium. Now we have to draw the LPP chart to get the desired value. As per this solution, we have to put the value here. The value of A is 0, sorry 50 and 0 and 50, sorry. So here is the value of A, 0 and 50. One digit is plotted, then 70 at that point, 70 is plotted, then 20 and 25 20 25. That is 10 and 300 103 while driving the equation. By mistakenly I have put this point, it is done by mistake. Now we have, here's the point C, there the minimized equation occurred, so that is minimized, so the constraint is derived this way. हर एक कंस्ट्रेंट से ऊपर ऊपर देखना है, मैक्सिमाइज है ना, तो इससे ऊपर वाला, इससे ऊपर वाला जो कॉमन एरिया हमारा कवर होगा वो ये वाला होगा, इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट से और लास्ट इस पॉइंट पे डी, ए सी बी और ये पॉइंट है ए जी। मैक्सिमाइज की कंस्ट्रेंट थी तो कॉमन एरिया आ गया, इससे ऊपर ऊपर वाला जो सारा है वो हमारा कवर हो जाएगा, ठीक है।